करना
Sir, yang hadi. Yang.
Oh, issues to kesam. 1967 is even the Roman script issues ni tinai Kokborok iti. Amo sing tini Southern East Divisional Committee ni hoite or memorandum na pheka SDM no. Chief Minister lo sung roka je Kokborok language to solve khana bali through the SDM Jirania sing tini memorandum roka. SDM ko positive ko rohna immediately sagasuna. Sing seven o issues sing seven o je Roman script sarmani balwi pheka. Tago as committee form khamani ya golo almost solution ya. Kesing or bujiwo je tini singnuka students or 9 emin no or jodo students mang 99% already sing 99% student or 99.5% no Roman school in favor of gay. How can the government see public the mandate no Russia without taking the mandate of the public? But by only they can impose one particular script. That is the question to the government. They cannot do that. They cannot impose one particular script. They should take the mandate of the people. The people has only given 99% mandate. So why the government is still silent and only imposing one script? Government should take, the chief minister should take immediate step to solve these issues. Otherwise, there will be lots of problem in Tripura. Will be even bound to call for strike or any further greater movement can be called up again. So we have requested the SDM already. The SDM is very positive. He will be sending Borohonai, Chief Minister, immediately or memorandum.